It's time for another Solana and highly requested bonk update. My name is mikemadz. Let's start this video. As always, before we start the video, please do me a favor, please like, comment below, check out my links in the description and subscribe. Alright, let's stop wasting time and let's jump straight into it. Just to summarize what happened to Solana over the last months. Yes, we had a relief rally, and that relief rally was very, very important to distance ourselves from the massive FUD that was going around. The ecosystem is still up and running. The blockchain has no downtimes anymore, hopefully. And of course, there's still massive support and development for the entire Solana ecosystem. And this is why the relief rally was very important, just to prove a point for the entire crypto industry that Solana is not dead. Alright, fast forward to the last couple of days and the last couple of weeks for Solana. As always, people get too ahead of themselves. They expect the bull market to be back at full force and they expect new all-time highs within weeks. As I said in my videos, nothing goes up in a straight line. Pullbacks are expected and pullbacks are needed in order to go higher in the future. In my personal opinion, this year will be mostly sideways, which doesn't mean that we will not see higher valuation for Solana in the next couple months. However, I'm simply not expecting an all-time high this year. There might be phases where we actually test the lows again, and there might be phases where we creep up higher. Overall, I truly believe that this year is the time to accumulate, and I call it the accumulation year, and that 2024 or 2025 will be the time to reap the benefits of these super low prices that we have today. Of course, not financial advice. Alright, development-wise and blockchain-wise, we had the Grizzlython announced. Grizzlython is an online hackathon this time with already over 4,000 participants, which simply means that the incentives to build on Solana are still there. There is seed funding and prizes towards $5 million for developers. So what you can expect from this is more development for Solana and substantial new use cases in the sectors of DeFi, gaming, and the NFT space. So for those people who say Solana only has 7 developers left, have to cross your dreams there. And just to highlight one project on Solana that is not widely used on other blockchains is Parcel. Parcel is a way to buy and short real estate all over the world, and that is completely built on Solana with the reasoning, as always, Solana is cheap and Solana is fast. As I always say, transaction speed will matter more and more over time, especially for mass adoption. And just to give you a glimpse of the real estate market all over the world, roughly over $320 trillion of monetary power are around the world in real estate. And if you can bring just a fraction of that into the blockchain world, that is of course a massive, massive use case, buying and shorting real estate derivatives on Solana. Alright, coming to the end of the video and a small add-on about my bonk position. Nothing changed here. Yes, I'm in the red here because the market dipped further. However, as I said, simply just a small, little fun investment to me to see where this thing can go in the future. One thing I did is I removed liquidity from the liquidity mining pool and I'm simply just holding my bonk because I don't want to deal with the impermanent loss of liquidity mining. Overall, phase 2 is being announced. However, it's still unclear what phase 2 on bonk actually means and which use case it will bring. One positive thing is the Grizzlython hackathon on Solana, I think will bring many developments also for the bonk ecosystem. And so let's see how that goes, okay? At the end of the day, guys, be bullish on yourself, do your own research, and don't get wrecked.